are some type of barbers in Nigeria, the way they use their own clipper blade, they don't want to sharp clipper blade at all. Yeah, you are welcome back to my channel. This is Master Barbers. Yeah. Now, this video you are about to watch, this tutorial I'm about to do on the Chaoba clipper blade. Very, very strong Chaoba clipper blades. Yeah, I have about 7 customers, 7 subscribers that used to call me in different parts of the country, throughout the world. In Nigeria, in Kenya, Tanzania, London, America, and so on and so forth like that. They used to call me that they are not barbers, but they have interest in sharpening of the clipper blade. So I used to tell them that the sharpening of the clipper blade is not an easy job. If you are a barber, you will know the way barbers use different type of clipper blades, especially in my own environment in Nigeria. They use clipper blade to the extent, in fact, I cannot even measure. They do not maintain it at all. Many, when they use the clipper blade draw, they use it for about 3 months. They now repack it again. They have to use it for another 3 months again. They repack it. After the blade has drawn again, they repack it again. They repack it like 6 times. There are some barbers, they can use a set of clipper blades in the mouth of the clipper engine for 1 year. When they use it door, because this one is real iron, when you use it door, you repack it again, you reforce it to work compulsively. It will do. They know the way they are doing it in Nigeria. You now reforce it to work for about 3 months again. After you use it door again, you still repack it again. You reforce it to work again under first, making about 3 times now for another 3 months, making 9 months. Then they now repack it again after using door. They know the way to use to pack it. When they pack it now, they still use it for another 3 months again, making about a year, using only one clipper, only a set of clipper blades on the clipper machine for 1 year, everyday working. Can you see? So when you tell some people may not believe it's happening in my own environment. That is why I don't know whether it's happening in your own environment. But if to say you are the same thing happening in my own environment is happening in the environment, and you are not a barber, you want to be sharpening clipper blade for commercial, it's not an easy job. It is not an easy job. I purposely do this video for those my subscribers, my followers that used to tell me that they are not barbers. They want to be sharpening clipper blade, that I should send stone for them. No, the distance is too far, no way to send stone. This distance is too far, no way to send stone. American people, United Kingdom, Kenya, Canada, and so on and so forth. It's not easy for me to send stone to all those countries. I only have power in Nigeria and countries around Nigeria like Republic of Benin, Togo, Ghana. Can you see? But far place I don't have the power to send it. But now I'm only telling you I do this video because of you people. So that before you put your head into the sharpening of clipper blade, if your own environment, the way Baba use clipper blade in my own environment, maybe that is the way they are using it in your environment too. It is not easy to put your head. I intentionally, purposely find this kind of clipper blade. Yeah, that is why I use it to do tutorial. When we get into the field now, you will see the way the blade is. Yeah, and you will see the way I sharpen it. I use this face to sharpen it, this surface. I sharpen it in a slow motion so that you can be able to follow me step by step in doing it. Yeah, so that you can be able to follow me step by step. You can be able to understand the nature of the work I'm doing. It is not an easy work to do. I'm not saying a person that is not a barber cannot do it. Can do it, but you have to get closer to barbers very well. You have to get closer to about 2 or 3 professional barbers. And even if you get closer to professional barbers do use their own blade normal. Even there are some people, they only use clipper blade once. After they throw it away. Those are the people I'm saying. When they buy new clipper blade now, they will use it like 1 to 3 months now. After they will repack it again. Instead of them to sharpen it, they will repack. They will use it for another 3 months. They will repack it again. Repack the clipper set of clipper blade like 4 or 5 times. And they will use it not less than 3 months because this is pure iron, real iron. This is Chaoba clipper blade. They use this type of clipper blade doing so. This stronger clipper blade. So now the upper blade has now drilled hole on top of the inner surface of the bottom blade. Let me repeat it again. This upper blade, this surface, the inner surface of here I'm touching, has now drilled hole on top of the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade, where the upper clipper blade used to lay on top of the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade. The hole is now inside the air, a hole that can take your eyes to see. Very big hole that you can take your eyes to see, where this one lay on top like this. The portion on this one now, it will now drill hole inside the surface of this one. Try to understand what I'm saying. So it is not easy to sharpen. It used to spoil the surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone. If you are not using a very strong original super hard manual sharpening stone, it will spoil the surface. Before you sharpen, you may not even get it right. It will spoil the surface. When you turn the surface again, it will spoil it. It can spoil up to 10 surfaces of the super hard manual sharpening stone. If you don't know your way out. That is why I intentionally do this tutorial for those people that used to call me that they are not barbers, they are not stylists, they are not proprietor, and they are not the one that based on sharpening of the clipper blade or barbing instrument to work. but they have interest in sharpening of the clipper blade. I intentionally do this video for them. Anybody can still watch, but I intentionally do it for them. I've called them already. I've notified them that I will do video for them. I've notified about 10 of them from different countries. So they will watch this video and see the way I sharpen that clipper blade. It's not this one. This one is my own. It's not this one. I only take this one to do the sample. Then when we get into the final, you see the blade. It is this time, but very stronger. You know, when you talk of Chaoba clipper blade, it's one of the most strongest blades so far in this world. But they are still more stronger than the other. That one, this one is very serious. It's very, very, very hard. This one is very hard. But that one is still very stronger than this one. Come and see the way they use it. Yeah, they use it in a way a professional barber shouldn't be able to be using clipper blade in that way. Yeah. Now, I want those people to watch it. Let's go into the final. I will show you the blade. Then I will show you the step by step I use in sharpening it. There are two types of blade like that. That person brought StarX, original StarX. They use it in the same way. That original StarX is as strong as this Chaoba clipper blade too. It's as strong as this clipper blade too. That StarX. Now, he now brought Chaoba that is even stronger than the one I hold in my hand now. Very, very strong. So let's go to the field now and see the way I maneuver my way in sharpening the two clipper blades. So I intentionally do this tutorial for about those 10 guys that used to call me from Kenya, United States of America, United Kingdom, then in Nigeria and some other countries too. Let's go into the field now and I'll show you. Let's. Yeah, this is Chaoba clipper blade. Can you see it? Yeah, this blade has been used roughly. Very, very, very roughly. Yes, I'm watching. They pack the upper blade. This upper blade now, they put something under. Now, this upper blade now has drilled the inside. Let me show you now. This inner surface, this side now has drilled inside of this one, the inner surface of this one now. Let's drill it down. Yeah, when you are watching or you feel it, you can see it. Yeah, a learner cannot sharpen this type of clipper blade, I'm telling you sincerely. Even professional or master, professional can sharpen it, but master cannot sharpen it. Yeah, professional and the real master are the only one that can sharpen this type of clipper blade with super hard manual sharpening. So can you see it? This is Chaoba clipper blade, one of the most strongest blades so far in this world. Can you see it? This is the upper blade for Chaoba. Can you see how it looks like? Very, very strong blade. This is where we know a real professional sharpening of clipper blade using of sharpening stone. Yeah. Even this kind of blade, now if you want to use sharper to sharpen it, you have to sweat. Yeah, you have to sweat. No way. You have to sweat. You cannot just drop it on place it on the sharper. If you not just sharpen like that, no. This one have to be sharpened technically, logically, professionally. Okay. Yeah, let's go into the field now. I'll show you how to sharpen it. Step by step in sharpening this type of clipper blade, I'll show you. Yeah, the angle of 45 degrees. So I'm starting from here. Just watch and see how the inside will be. you see it? Yeah, see the stainless area where the stoners work. In this area now. See what I'm doing here. So don't forget, I've went to and fro 10 times, almost 3 times now. If you watch this clipper blade very well, see this teeth, this last one, I have to sharpen it again to correspond, to comply with this one, so that you join together before we move into the right hand side. Let's say imagine tactical. This is going to be number 4 times now. Number 4. Still remain 1 time. Yeah, this is going to be number 5 now. This is going to be number 6. See where I'm putting my tongue. Yeah, let us watch. Yeah, can you see it now? Now, to and fro 10 times, 6 times for this side. That is where most of the learners or the professionals used to miss their road. I've sharpened this side only 6 times now, to and fro 10 times in 6 places. So you have to take note. The same thing, the process you do for here, you still have to repeat it for the other side too. Don't forget, I have sharpened this side to and fro 10 times, 6 times. Let's go for the other side too. So don't forget, we have sharpened for the first side, to and fro 10 times, 6 times. Now let's start for this side, to and fro 10 times for number 1. Yeah, this is number 1. This is to and fro 10 times, number 1. That is number 1. This is to and fro 10 times, number 2. You're counting it. Number 2. To and fro 10 times, number 3. This is to and fro 10 times, number 4. Number 4. So we are going 6 times. Number 5. Yeah, to and fro 10 times, number 6. So when we check now, yeah, can you see the surface now? I want to position it well. Can you see the surface? So I've went to and fro 10 times, 6 times for this side, from this side to the center here. Now I've go to and fro 10 times again in 6 rounds for the right hand side, which means the equation has balanced. That is where some of the learners, real professional or professional at times, miss their road. The same thing you do for one side, you still have to repeat it for the other side. You take notes. Yeah, the pressure you use have to be the same. The to and fro counting of number have to be the same. Then the treatment, the way you apply your treatment have to be the same. Yeah, can you see this surface now? Look at this surface. This one has been used roughly. Can you see it? It was not maintained at all. Very, very hard to sharp. Let's try it and see what is going to happen. Can you see it? This inside has lowered totally. The upper blade has drilled the inside totally. Can you see it? It has drilled the inside. Yeah, that is to and fro 20 times. Let me do for this side too. That is to and fro 20 times, 20 times each. Let us watch now. Can you see it? Look at this down part, this stainless area. That is where the stone has touched now. You see it? Let's go again. That is to and fro 20 times. For one side, I'm doing for the other side. That is to and fro 20 times each for one side. Let us see what is happening now at the surface. This work is work of intelligence. I used to say it. Can you see it now? That the extension is now going front. Can you see the extension has covered this side? See? Can you see it? This stainless area. So remain the front now. See what I'm doing here. That is to and fro 20 times. What you have done for one side, you still have to repeat it for the other side too. Your pressure have to be the same. The way you apply your treatment have to be the same. Your to and fro counting 20 times have to be the same. I did for this side, now I have to do for the other side too. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, that is to and fro 20 times for each side now. Let us see and look how the inner surface will be. Let us know, see what it's going to give us. Can you see now? Look at here, the sharpening starts immediately after the 2 holes. Can you see? This place are being covered up. Then when you look here from the back here, right to the center here, you can see the stainless. Can you see it? Which means the level of this stainless is higher than this part of the black one. This black area now, as you are seeing, is a valley. That area goes down well. This area is a valley. It goes down. This black area is down. This blade was used roughly. That is to and fro 20 times. Yeah, you still have to repeat for the other side too. You have to repeat for the other side here. That is 20 times. I want the work to go far before I show you, because these blades are being used roughly, very, very rough. I want the work to go far. I want the work to go far before I show you next again. What you Can you see the selective as you move? You have to replace it with another one. This blade is so rough. This blade was used roughly. That is why I'm saying, if you are not a real professional, you don't know much about sharpening. When you come to my environment and establish a sharpening store or sharpening studio, I'm telling you, are going to fuck up. The way people use their blade here, very, very rough. Can you see it? So roughly. This black area now is down totally. Can you see it? This dark portion. They pack. That area is down totally. You need to blend it up. Don't forget, what you do for one side, you have to repeat the same thing for the other side. Yeah. Yeah, can you see exactly what I'm trying to say? Look at this inner surface of this blade. From here to here now, I've been sharpening correctly. Then look at the inner surface toward the front. Look it from here, see the stainless. The stainless has covered from here, from the left hand side to the right hand side, forming U shape. U shape. Can you see it? This inner part is down totally, completely down. This blade has been used months upon months, even I can say year upon years without sharpening. Just packing the blade, dodging to sharpen the clipper blade. Yeah, the owner is trying to dodge the sharpening. When this blade they use it to dull, they will repack it again, force the machine to work again. When they use it dull like 2 or 3 months again, they use it, they pack it again, they force it to work. Now the upper blade has drilled. Can you see the inside of this blade? It has drilled totally the inner part of it. It is very, very tedious work. Only the real professional can sharpen this type of clipper blade. Can you see it? That is why I'm saying sharpening of the clipper blade is not an easy job. It's work of intelligence. Can you see the inside? I want to show you very well. Can you see it now? The work is progressing little by little towards the front. Now I want to leave this one first and sharpen another one because that person is not. Yeah, I want to sharpen this one first. Can you see this one too? This is StarX clipper. Can you see the way they use this one to almost the same with the first one I'm sharpening now? Very, very rough. This clipper blade has been used though. They will repack it again and force it to work under force. When they use it though, they will repack it again. They use it though, they will repack it again until they condemn the blade. Can you see it? That is what I'm saying. If you want to be sharpening clipper blade, you want to take it as your own profession, you need to learn it very well. You need to go deep into it very, very well. Can you see it? All these are very, very tedious work. Even when you are using sharper, it's not an easy job to do. If you are using sharper, we still use the same process in sharpening. Then we go to the English. Ìlò lẹ́yìn tẹ́lẹ̀ kan láàrin ọdún kan nípọn máa fi di packet the blade máa packet. Instead of them to sharpen the blade, no, they won't sharpen it. They will now be using broom, cardboard, papers, racks, sellotape to pack and repack. That is 20 times. That is 20 times. Yeah, I want to show you something. Oh, the camera doesn't carry it well. This inner surface of this clipper has been bent. That is 20 times. All these are very, very stubborn blades. Very, very stubborn. Let us wash them out. Can you see it? This inner surface has bent. That's bent towards the front. Then when you check, only the camera doesn't carry it well. There's one black portion by the edge. Which means the front of this clipper blade, the stone is not touching it at all. Let's do it again. Do you see it now? Let me pick the bottom blade. Yeah. Now you see this one now. So the sharpening has covered from this side to this side. Remain this right hand side now. Yeah, this blade now, when you watch carefully, or let's say the camera doesn't carry it well, when you watch carefully, the work remains toward this edge here, toward this edge here, towards the edge, but the camera doesn't show it well. But okay, now it does show it now. Look at this edge, this side, this black area. Yeah, that's the only one remain. That's the only portion remain.
tutorial.
No, they can't pack it, did not pack it, they did not sharpen it. Instead of trying to sharpen the clipper blade using for a week or two, they did not sharpen it, they will just be repacking until the upper blade has not drilled hole. Separate, you know what? So let me set this one down. Just let's see and see what is happening. Come on. So I'm now using freehand test installing method to test the inner surfaces whether the clipper blade have been sharpened correctly. These two clipper blades now are used roughly, very very rough. If you want to be using sharpening of the clipper blade as a work, you need to tie your belt very well. Yeah, you tie your belt very well in my environment before you can become a professional. It's a great job, very very great job. When they use blade here, it's very very rough. When they use blade like 3-4 months now, they repack it again. Instead of them to sharpen it, they will not sharpen it. They will reforce it to work by force. The machine will now work for another 2 or 3 months again. They will repack it again. See, the upper blade now drill complete hole in the inside of the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade. Very very tedious work to sharpen. If you are not a real professional, very very real professional, you cannot sharpen it. Cannot sharpen it at all. Let us start and see now. Can you see now? Can you see the cover from left hand side to the right hand side for the upper blade and the bottom clipper blade? Which means that this clipper blade have been sharpened correctly. Those my subscribers, my viewers that have been following me since, they really understand what I'm trying to say. Can you see it now? This one has been sharpened correctly. I need to go back into the first one. Very very tedious work. I need to go back. This one is sharpened correctly now. This one is okay. Those are the system. You are sharpening two clippers, two clipper blades, two set of clipper blades. The first one you are sharpening is very very tedious work. They use it roughly, very very bad, and it's a strong iron. So when you are sharpening that one and you have another work to do that you know that you can do that one fast, you leave that first one first. Yeah, when you leave it, you now do the second one. See the way I did this one now. I drop this one down instead of me to be wasting time on it, I now complete this one now. I'm on this one on the clipper engine. Mo yan clipper rẹ wá. Now I now come back. Can you see the door? That is why I say for a good child that work very fine, you have to collect your money. Yeah, that is the money for the second one now. So I need to complete this one now. Can you see? This job is not an easy job. I'm telling you sincerely, pay your back myself, they will let you pack. In this my environment, the way they are using clipper blade here, if you are not a real professional, they will tell you to pack, you to close your shop down. I'm telling you sincerely. They use blade anyhow. That is 240 times now. Going gradually, but I'll now show you now. Let me see, do it a little. Those are the challenges there in sharpening of the clipper blades. It's not a new thing. When you are sharpening, all these things are happening. It's not a new thing, no. Continue with your work. That is 10 times. That is 20 times now. That is 6. That is 10. Sí bàbá ni ẹ kí wọ́n ló tú. Yeah, let me show you again. Can you see now that the work is progressing, but it doesn't move fast? Can you see now the sharpening has reached the half, now moving towards the front. Can you see, look at the border shining areas by the left hand side, by the right hand side, then the down part of it towards the front. Can you see it has followed it to the center now? Can you see it now? So this work is a very, very tedious work to do. This center, all this area I'm touching now, all this area are down, totally, completely down. Completely down. But we can do need to do test again. Test it. One run and contest it. Don't do that.
ṣe rẹ̀ gbọ́ méjì. Wọ́n ṣe rẹ̀ bàbá. Gbà ṣe n tó ṣe wọ́n ti dáná kalẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀wọ̀n ti wọ́n pé gbogbo ọgbọ́n ìwòyí tó ń dáná ní owó méjì. Lọ́wọ́ ìyẹn ti rí ẹ kó dé ṣé kó di oṣooṣù ní àbí kí o rí. Àwọn àmì.
That is to and fro 30 times. What you do for the left hand side, your pressure the same as the other side too. The way you apply your treatment, your to and fro counting have to be the same with the other side too. So this time around now, I went to and fro that you can see here. I need to go back to the other side and still repeat the same thing with the same type of pressure and the same type of application of the treatment. What they are supposed to sharpen almost every week. You will now use a clipper blade for a year, complete a year, 3 months. Clipper blade your by until the clipper blade cannot work anything again. You now bring it for sharpening. And this kind of work now is not main purposely because of sharpening. They only come to test your experience. That's what I'm saying. As a professional barber sharpening clipper blade. When you want to put hand in sharpening of the clipper blade, there are many barbers. They really come to test your intelligence, your knowledge about the work. The way they use the clipper, roughly they intentionally use it. They will now bring it to you. When you say it's 1 million, they will give it to you. Do it and let's see whether you know how much about this happening or not. That is why you show your experience. That is where you show you the techniques, the logics you use in sharpening of the clipper blade. This one is intentionally used. Can you see it now? Even if you are using auto to sharpen, you have to sweat before you can sharpen all this type of clipper blade. And this one is real iron. Can you see? One of the most strongest blades so far in this work. Can you see the color? Can you see the way it is? This is the real color. Can you see it? This is one of the most strongest blades so far in this world. So at times people come to test your intelligence, whether you know the job or you don't. Ọba kan láti Onitsha, gbogbo ọmọ Igbo yìí, tó máa wo tutorials mi, one of them is sharpening. One guy from one town far away from my area. The guy now called me that he has subscribed to my channel since almost a year ago now. He saw the way I used to sharpen clipper. So he has a personal clipper using for his child and himself. Now he wants to learn how to be sharpening clipper. He says, is it an easy job? I said, it's not an easy job. You need to get closer to Baba. That is it. This is 40 times. 40 times. This type of job I've charged, I still need to recharge again. When I finish the job, I recharge. This is where we know a real professional sharpening of clipper blades. Yeah, that is 40 times, 2 and 40 times for each side. Now let me show you. This is where to show the talent. This is where to show your brain in sharpening of the clipper blade. Can you see now? Watch carefully. Can you see the inner part of it? Can you see it? When you watch here, this black portion, the sharpening has not covered the place. The sharpening has covered the whole surface completely. But when you watch carefully towards this left hand side, where I'm touching with my pointer, can you see the dark areas there? That dark area is a valley. That place goes down. Assuming you put water on it, the water is going to stay in this portion. The water will splash away in this area. So you need to bring this total stainless area down again to the level of this black area. It is very, very tedious work to do, work of intelligence, because when you are about to finish this kind of job and you do a little mistake, the complete mount will not work again. Let me still repeat it again. This kind of work you have been doing since now, this one have been collect sweat from your body. Now you are about to finish the job by saying you want to clear this small portion, this dark area. If care is not taken, it's going to spoil the whole mouth, taking you back to 0%. This is where we know the talented people on how to sharpen the paper blade. This blade you are watching is very hard iron, real iron. One of the most strongest blades so far in this world. Let us go. I must have to use this one to teach you tutorial for you to be able to know for you to be able to know how to handle the most strongest blade so far in this world when used roughly. So as I suspect, this blade was brought to me in order to test my intelligence on this job. The owner said it's no, but I'm saying it's yes. Yeah, this is the place we are going to touch. This area I'm touching now. This black area. Then before you go into that black area, let me give you logic. You first touch here. When you touch here 20 times, to and fro 20 times, you now come back into that dark area. It will disappear once. Yeah, this is the place. Try to understand me. This is the place. This is the black area now. I want this black area to go as in a hard iron. Yeah, very, very tough iron. Then I turn it now. This is the dark area now. Can you see it? But I want to clear here first. Go to and fro 20 times. Now come back to that black area to make the equation balance and see. Let us see how it's going to look like. Don't forget, this is a black area. When you place the angle 45 degrees, this is the black area. Then we are going to work here first. This is how to prove the talent. Yeah. Yeah, that is 2 and 4 30 times. Don't forget, we have not touched the affected part. That this black area I'm saying, I've not touched it. But I first walk by the right hand side. Now I'm coming back to this side. Yeah, this angle of 45 degrees. This is the place I want to touch now. This black area. See where I position my thumb. 2 and 4 30 times. Yeah, that is 2 and 4 30 times. Can you see now? This is master. Can you see what I'm trying to say? Can you see it? Yeah, Coach Lado is here. Coach Lado is Lado from Oteoja. One of the best coaches so far in this world. One of the best coaches so far in this world is around there. Coach Lado from Oteoja. Can you see the surface now? This is where we prove the talent. It's a very tedious work to do, I'm telling you sincerely. If you are not perfect, you cannot sharpen logically, technically, perfectly, correctly. Okay, you cannot handle this type of a clipper blade. They intentionally brought it to me. No need to hide the fact. I want to test your intelligence. We want to know whether you know how to use sharpening tool to control. You can able to control your thumb and sharpen this kind of raw blade. I'll bring this blade back to life. Yeah, let me put it to testing now. Yeah, this is the upper blade. Can you see it? One of the most strongest blades so far. Can you see the color? Nobody will tell you. Can you see it? Coach Lado self can see it. Can you see it, Coach Lado? Can you see it now? Very, very tedious work to do. Let us put it to testing. To even test is not an easy job. This is a pure iron, real iron, very, very strong iron. Once you can be able to sharpen this kind of clipper blade correctly, I'm telling you sincerely, if you continue to papa, you can use it for a year. This blade now has been used more than over a year now. Yeah, a blade used for over a year, now brought to Master Barbers Comedy TV. Can you see? Can you see? This your work, I will still charge you more. Oh, the baby the lover, I'm telling you, sincerely, also open. I'm telling you, also open. Also, you pay some more money on this work. Oh. Yeah, no, I'm doing your work. I'm telling you sincerely. One night, so written most later. Eh? No, tell me so. I project won't be able to go down. So written most later. When you reach here, you tell the person. Use yourself, you don't need to doubt it at all. You see the work I've done on this job. You don't need to doubt. Ìyẹn gan bó nǹkan. Ilé ìwé pé ìrògbọ́n pọ́n rí gan. Mi ò gbọ́n pọ́n rí rárá tọ́. But irú iṣẹ́ báyìí tí yóò bá ṣe this kind of job you refuse to do it. Yeah, it feel like say you are burying your talent. People will not, yes, actually, people will not believe you know how to do it. Yeah, can you see the inside now? Can you see it? Yeah, I still have to test it a little. Not a small thing. People use blade roughly here. Very, very rough. Even if you are using auto to sharpen, you don't know how to handle it very well in my environment. Hey, they will let you close your shop with all these barber jobs. Sir? What's it about? I've removed the masking tape at the back because of the treatment. The treatment has removed it already to allow me to do the job very well. I'm going to try to test it very, very well so that I can be able to see the inside very well, the sign that it's supposed to give me. Can you see it now? Yeah. Can you see it? The blade is sharpening correctly now. So if you want to know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, subscribe to Master Baba's Comedy TV. Subscribe to my channel. If you want to know how to sharpening stone correctly, perfectly, professionally, okay. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Can you see? Subscribe to my channel fast. Thank you everybody. Be expecting another valuable tutorial after this one. Thank you.